In this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make money online using the Bybit sports trading. So currently I'm on the Bybit app, and make sure you're on the market section and you verified your Bybit account. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you're on the sports section also. Then on this sports section, this is where you're going to analyze when to buy and when to sell into any assets, which is very easy. And one thing you also need to note is you need to deposit huge amount of money in order for you to make money in this doing this particular Bybit spot trading. So basically what you want to do is to tap on any assets. I'll just tap on any asset, let's say Sol/USDT. Then you come down here. Since it's since it's a mobile view, you tap on, you see currently it sets to MA is moving average. You can see it right here. MA, you change that MA to BOL. You click on BOL, it's going to change to BOL. Then remove the MA. Now your BOA should look like this. Then click on, you change this one, you remove this, uncheck this and check RSI. So I'll put RSI, then remove this. So now it should look like this. So your graph should look like this. Now also make sure that you set your time frame to 1 day. You tap on 1 day and it will be set to 1 day. Currently I'm on 1 day, so I can't tap on it again. So the next thing you want to do is, before we go and continue with the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you've watched video to this point, because I'm actually sharing information to you and I'm sure you don't want to miss stuff like this. So basically, how do you know when to buy and when to sell? So if you want to know when to buy and when to sell in the market, is for you to go ahead and take note of this line. Is make sure once the trade can touch any of this line, it's the best time to buy, and when the trade touches any of this line, is the best time to sell. So this is the best time to buy, and this is the best time to sell, right? Buy and sell. So how do you know when to buy and when to sell? Sometimes the trade might not touch this line and it will still go up, you get. So how do you know when is the right time to buy and when to sell? So you also need to take note of this RSI. That's why we need this RSI we have here. And you can see these figures right here. These figures, we have 95, we have 60, we have 25. So these are the things we're going to use to know when to buy and when to sell. Let me just zoom out from the market. Then let me come to this particular point. Right, so to see the RSI, currently we want to see the RSI for this particular one, which means we have to tap down here or tap down here. Okay, let me enable the, you can see it's below 30. At this point it's below 30, but I'm not actually getting the right point itself. But this is how to go ahead and get when to buy. So once you get the particular position that's actually below 30 and it touches the line, touches the Bollinger Band, which is the line, touches the line, that is a good time for you to go ahead and buy that particular asset. So, and once you buy the asset, you need to invest, you need to use huge amount of money in order for you to get good profit from this little from this little distance right here, this gap plus this little gap. All right, and if you notice, if it gets to this point, you're going to, like I said, if it gets to the upper, if it touch the upper Bollinger Band, it's time for you to go ahead and sell the assets back, right? Sell the assets back. That is how you make money from the Bybit sports trading every single day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, kindly subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one, and bye for now.